Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As many of my subscribers are asking about surface design tutorials, so I have started modeling on surface design also in Gateway 5. So from this video, so you don't need to have any prior knowledge on surface design. From this video onwards, I will try to explain every single option within every single tool that I'm using. Okay, so in this video we will try to make this simple model in surface design in CATIA. Okay, so as we know, there are two workbenches for making surface design, right? So one is, you can see, that is mechanical design and wireframe and surface design. And also there is a one more workbench that is available in shape workbench and generator shape design, GSD. Okay, so mostly the GST has more advanced than wireframe and surface design. So which has every single tool that consists in wireframe and surface design. So if you learn this one, so every single tool there in wireframe and surface design are already covered in GST. Okay, so that's why we are directly going into generator shape design. So give a part name like jar and click on OK. So okay, this is my generator shape design workbench. You can see these are the options. So these are the wireframe tools. Okay, and wait. Okay, these are the wireframe tools and these are the surface tools. So also you can access it by insert wireframe. See, these are the list of wireframe commands, and these are the list of surface design commands and volume. So we will talk about these things later part of this video. So because we are so these are related to giving making surface design to a model, to a part. So that is a concept, that is a different concept we can discuss later. So operations, so like you are already aware of all these operations. Okay, and you don't need to know about everything, so we will discuss everything and we will cover every single use of these all tools. So okay, let's get started with this jar modeling. Okay, so my approach is, you can see this is a round part, right? So we will first make this round part by using revolve command. Okay, so for that, click on the position sketch, select the front plane, make sure the align axis is, generally H axis will be on right hand side and V axis should be upwards. So make sure this orientation matching properly and every time. Okay, so click on OK. So first, what I'm doing, I'm just making one 3-point arc like this. Okay, let's give the radius of this arc, so it is mentioned in the drawing. You can see that, which is 175 enter. Okay, next take one more like this. What is the radius of this one, which is 7.5. 7.5 enter. And maybe there is a tiny gap which is connected by means of line. Okay, make sure this line is horizontal. Okay, now see 140, so diameter, so from this vertical axis to this, so there is a 140, that means 70. This is okay. So but make sure this circle is tangent to this one. Okay, I think this is not constrained yet, so we can constrain it. 108 it is. So from here, from this point to this 108, 8 divided by 2, and this distance we can make it as 15. Okay, 15 maybe. Yeah, it is okay, I think. Okay, we can make it as 10, whatever. The dimension is not given, so we can consider it whatever it is. Okay, let's make this. So here we are not having any radius for this arc, so for that what I'm doing, just make a one arc like this. Okay, next take one line directly like this and apply fillet. What is the radius? 55, right? So double click 55 and up. So double click on the dimension constraint. From here to this line there is a total height of 270, right? 270 and up. This line of vertical distance is only 20 and up. Okay, you can see the top diameter is 120 and inner diameter is 90. So from here to here 120, that means 60. Okay, select the vertical line and press and hold the shift button and make sure this like this, so which is 45, right? So this is only not constrained properly, so let's consider it as 145. Okay, okay, this is okay for me. So exit from this workbench and use the revolve command, so which is located right here, and choose the revolution axis as vertical. Right click, you can choose the G axis, click on preview, so make sure it is 360 degrees, click on preview, click on OK. Our first process is done, right? Let's hide the sketch. What about next? Next we have to achieve this one, so for that, so okay, before we will make this handle also. So for that what I'm doing, click on the position sketch, select the front plane, sorry, isometric view, select the position sketch, select the front plane, click on OK. Let's make one profile like this. Okay, I think you cannot select this edge, so we have to use the projection not objects option for projecting this one. This is not worked out. Okay, this is not working. So what you can do, okay, exit. So let's delete this sketch and choose the projection option or intersection option. So I want to highlight a points, first element, and the second element is front plane. Click on preview, see, click on OK. Now choose the position sketch, select the front plane, click on OK. Now you may seeing that there is a line, right? So now select this. Now you can easily select. Okay, select this point and this curve, make sure coincidence. Select this point, this line, make sure coincidence. Okay, you can see 77.5. so fillet radius is there between these two. So what is our radius? 25. And see how it is being. Select this and make sure a distance 77.5. 77.5 enter. Okay, 20 degrees is there. So from this line to, okay, delete it. Select this line, this, make sure 20 degrees. Okay, from this point to center point, it is a, from this point, this 119. Perfect. It is not perfect, so I don't know where the mistake is, but I have taken 250. It is from here to here 270. Everything is correct, but which is maybe 77, not it is 77, maybe it is 57. Okay, okay, leave. I don't want to waste too much of time on that one, so let's hide this intersection. And so this is just a path we have, so we need to create one profile also. So for that, what I'm doing, so I'm going to creating one plane. So here there are number of options are there for creating the planes. So in my case, I'm choosing so normal to curve. Select this feature and choose the curve and choose the point where you want to make this plane. So center point is okay, but I'm choosing the end point. Click on preview, click on OK. Now click on the position sketch, select this plane. See here the axis, how these are aligned. So I want horizontal axis always right side, right? So I want to reverse it. So that's it. Click on OK. Now the dimensions are given right here. So Rx is 12.5 and Ry is 5. Simply it does not mean that major axis diameter is 12.5, minor axis diameter is 5. So choose the ellipse, ellipse, and here the major you have to choose 2 points. Okay, this is major axis, so which is nothing but 12.5. And what about minor axis? So this is this distance, which is nothing but 5 only. Okay, so this is the profile. So click on exit, and here we can sweep, we can use the sweep option. So that is right here. Sweep. So in the sweep you have to choose one profile and one path. So if you click on preview to start it. Okay, now click on preview, click on OK. Now extrude the curves up to element. Profile is, you can choose this, I think. Okay, okay, what we can do, so I just want to introduce more features. Okay, that's why you can see, so use the extrude feature and extrude up to some distance. Okay, that is what you can see in the inside, right? And do the same thing here also. Preview. Okay, and before that you need to extract these edges, right? So for that use extract option. wait, here you can see boundary option is there. So select this and choose this as a boundary, click on preview, click on OK. Okay, now extrude it. This also direction you have to choose. Let's choose this as a direction, click on preview, click on OK. Now what you do, use a join command and select this and this inside one, click on preview, click on OK. Okay, I don't know the mistake. Okay, you can cut, maybe it is not possible to cut. Okay, we'll try trim split option. I want to split this surface with respect to this, click on preview, click on OK. What has happened? It has cutted but not, I don't want this. Double click, remove other side, click on preview, click on OK. Now let's see what has happened. See, there is a small gap, right? So which is fine for me, I think. Okay, is there any extra surface? Yeah, it has an extra surface, so you can use the split command again, and I want to split this with respect to this surface. Click on other side, click on preview, click on OK. Right, do the same thing here also. Click on split. I want to split the surface with respect to this, click on preview and click on other side, click on preview, click on OK. Okay, hide the sketches, hide this plane sketch also, isometric view. Okay, this is how I think this extrusion, there is a problem, so we can make it as 0. Preview, no, reverse direction, click on preview, click on OK. Here also there is an extrusion, right? So limit 1 you can put it as 0. Preview, reverse direction, preview, OK. Now it is everything is okay. Now the only thing is we have to make the hair. So how can we achieve it? So let's talk about how can we achieve it. Have to achieve okay, so this one, so I'm not sure how can we make it, but I'm trying. Like you can see, click on the plane creation tab, select the top plane and choose 270 because the entire height is 270 only. Click on preview, click on OK. Now make sure now choose the position sketch, select the plane. See, isometric view, I want this side to be a right hand side, so that means this should be a horizontal axis. Swap it, and I want vertical to be in opposite direction, reverse V, click on OK. Okay, so here I want to make this cutout. So how can I do it? Let's choose a on circle. The radius of how much it is, 10, diameter 20. Okay, and take two lines. So select the line command and choose turn off the snap or snap grid option. Okay, this line is optional, delete it. So this constraint, geometrical constraint, you can delete it. Make sure this and this circle are tangency. Okay, and make sure this line and this line and are symmetry about horizontal axis. Okay, now this between these two there is a angle of 75 degrees. Okay, this is also okay. Now choose the extend option, extend, and I want to extend this up to this, and I want to trim this. Okay, you can use the quick trim option for this option, for this. That's it. Now 10 distance is also there, so from here to here, so we cannot give it. Okay, but this distance, how can I? Okay, I think okay, we can make it as 80. No, 78 maybe. Okay, but make sure delete it and choose this point should be lie on this one. See, now this will be over constraint, I think. Okay, 75, 78. Okay, this is okay, right? But here, even though you have given okay, project shield or project or edges, just project this edge and make it in construction and choose the extend option, choose the extend, and extend this line up to this. That's it. I think this is okay for me, so click on exit. Okay, now choose the position sketch, select the front plane, click on OK. Okay, now choose the project edges option and select this one. Okay, make it into construction. Okay, select line command one, and I think 20. So we have to connect this with this. So but before that I want these edges, right? So there is an intersection option, you can search for it. Okay, intersect option is right here. So okay, double click on this sketch, which is not construction. So you can choose this point and this point coincidence, and this point and this point coincidence. Okay, exit. Okay, now use the sweep command. So profile, sorry, guide curve. Okay, exit, use the sweep command again. The profile you can choose this, and direction you can choose this. Click on preview, see how it has creating. Click on OK. So now before now after this we have to cut these edges, hide and hide. Okay, so we have to cut. So what we have to do, click on the trim option this time, and I want to trim this entire surface with respect to this one. Click on preview. So it is removing the side what we want. So click on other side, sorry, not this. Click on preview, see this everything is go able to cutting. And that's it guys, that's how you can make this jar very easily. So if you find anything helpful in this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Hope this is a okay. If you want to get updated for the for these kind of videos in the future, so please do subscribe to our channel and encourage us for more videos like this.